Victor, I need you to tell me what it is right now. ASAP, no rush. Or you're going to prison. Yeah, what do you say?
I'm telling you, I don't know anything.
I know you're lying. You know, there are ways we can get you taught.
Okay. It's at his house.
And where is his house?
Next to my house.
And where is your house?
You won't believe this, but it's next to his house.
Son, why are you playing these games? Where is his house at?
Look, man, before I tell you this, I will need to be put in witness protection. Alright? His address is 105 Kingston Avenue.
Alright. I'm sure we can have something arranged.
Okay. Is that all you guys wanted?
You're free to go.
Okay. Thank you, officer. One last thing. Be careful. That guy's a menace. Appreciate you.
We'll do it.
Yo, let's go, Larry. Whoa, Holmes. I heard that you snitched. I wouldn't do such a thing, Holmes.
Hands up, Larry. Put the gun down.
I'm not gonna put it down unless you put it down.
Okay.
No! Oh!
Yeah, boy. They don't even know this.
Alright, Larry. So why'd you do it? I'm tired of the games, man!
I got a lot more games to play.
Time's up, Larry. Put down the gun or put down your life.
I'm not gonna go out that easy, detective.
I won't take this shot for granted.
Well, I already won, detective.
You should have shot for the head, Larry.